What's up? So, I don't even remember what we did last time. Hmm, I think this thing needs something like git log here. Uh, okay. So, I believe we were styling the buttons or something like that yes last time. And then we have yep, we have this lot of sorting, delete, delete. Great. Why? Hi Shilpi, what's up? Long time, man. Long time. Haven't seen you since a while. Where have you been? इतना इतना समय हो गया यार. I'm missing like a PM touch over here, like somebody like do this or do that. Like what should I do next? Questions. Um, you can use this basically at. I'll just share the link. What is this? Audible. Do dot glitch dot me. Date of you runs away. But anyway, right now if I wanna see like uh, tags and all, tags and everything. Why did I search for preview meta tags? For links WhatsApp, I believe. um so let's say I wanna have of meta tags over here. How do I do that? So I think HTML page with the basic meta tags. Yep. OG site name, OG title, description, blah blah blah. Right. So I can just do hi Shreyas, how are you? Tell me what you want me to do today and I'll do that. So I'm just setting the meta tags and all, so that if you share the URL somewhere, you can just I can just see the preview what I'm clicking at. So yeah, the things to do. I think that is a it. Grow or grow और करो करते चलो करते जाओ. Right. This could be just some crazy weird ass shit. I don't have an image right now, so I'll just do that. I don't know what I did, but yeah, I'll do that. And next thing that is over there, I think I can also do yeah, the description meta tag, I guess, can be some this. Now preview meta crow as in crow. Yeah, I can have Twitter as well. Wow, nice. So I'll add this. Twitter card summary site is Shobhitik and it's by Shobhitik. Not gonna log in. Nope, 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 nope. Okay, fine, whatever. Should it be Porbol or Bojit Bove? What? Hmm. So yesterday, I don't know where I was, but today, feature wise, I think we have a bunch of things that I've already done. So, पहला काम तो ये, so that if I hover over this, mouse basically turns into hand, and then if I click, done. And actually, if something's done, I believe I should just move it to a different done list, right? Uh, and I think I should be able. Uh, like, but it'll require a lot of things that I'm not willing to do right now. But that's why uh, I'll have a delete. So before delete, what I can have is, are you sure you want to delete this? Add a timer kind of a feature as well. Yes, can you expand on that? Like, what is the timer kind of a feature? Like, what do you expect should happen? Deadline. Ah, makes sense. Deadline. Okay. Uh, ठीक है. Deadline. We can have like कब तक करना है, right? से पहले करना है, something like that, right? So what we can have is, if I'm typing brush your teeth, there should be an option here which is like, add deadline, but not a deadline. We have to be a little creative, but yeah. So in Vue.js, actually it's not a Vue.js thing, right? It's a date time tag that I can just have. So I will do that. Don't stay away for too long. Don't go to bed. Make a cup. Mm-hmm. 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 So what I've done is I've moved this thing to a div, fresh, and it works as expected. Oops. And I think I can have another input tag which will be like type date. Date picker over. And I need to make it look a little better. So for that, I'll open the CSS file. CSS में the new task is like that. So instead of new task, I can just call it input. I'll just call it my input for now. Give it a class basically. A class here, which will be my input, and I can add this class here. Be like. Okay. Margin. Okay, so one thing is fuck. Where do I have margin? Oh, that's why. So I'll just remove margin from here. I'll just remove this from here. I'll just be like new task. New task needs to be 100%. The other doesn't. Fine. Now there's some margin issue over here. Just be in 0.5 gram 0. Yep, that margin is fine. Some things are recurring, some things are open-ended. Submit deadline nahi hoga na. Understood. So if you don't add a deadline, that's fine, no? Optional reminder for the user. Yeah, that's what I'm going to do. It's not going to be the deadline thing is going to be an optional thing and not okay. So we can just add a date over here. We can clear the date as well. What can I do though? Why is it not aligned properly? क्या बिगाड़ा है मैंने इसका? Font size 1 rem, padding 0.5. Okay, and इनका क्या है? Padding 0.5, font size 1 rem, border 1 pixel. Border का issue है? नहीं. Box shadow, border radius, box shadow नहीं. Box sizing. Why are the two not together? 14 35 36.5 30 34.5 and this is 35. Okay, they should be of the same size now. Why are they not same size? Inline block, is that the problem? Oh ho 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 ho. Oh ho 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 ho. Oh ho 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 ho. Oh ho 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 ho. ये मेरा लहंगा बड़ा है महंगा, इससे ना हाथ लगा, दिला दू गाड़ी साथ तो आ. I don't know deadline. So Shilpi says, I say we have a task pop up जिसमें deadline है and other info if need be. The deadline feels like a resistance. You add a task, it's in my face and tells me I don't know my deadline. Yes, you wanna take a go at it? True. What a go. लड़ लो भाई. चैट में यहाँ पे डेटिंग चल रही है. यार why are they not of the same? Why are they? क्या मतलब is it because display flex से कुछ फर्क पड़ेगा? Yes, yes, yes. Don't stop me now. Don't stop, cause I'm having a good time, having a good time. Margin hyphen right, 0.5 m. Now this is better, much better. And if I want to, if I'm getting what Shilpi is saying, what we need here is another button which when clicked, there we should basically have now add a deadline. पॉप ही कर लो. पॉप क्या करना है? पॉप अप करना है. तो श्रेयस सेज वैसे भी अलाइन नहीं हो रहा है, पॉप ही कर लो. मॉम एंड पॉप. व्हाट इज पॉप? पॉप रॉक सॉल्ट काला नमक. पॉप अप. गुड. ओके. So there's this thing called new task deadline. Oh, there's no nil, it's null here. पॉपअप बॉक्स, हाँ समझ गया श्रेयस, इट्स ओके। So what we will do now is in the add task, let's just first create the task. Okay, this will be like const task is equal to this. I'll remove this from here. It'll be like task. ये task बनना है, ठीक है? Now if new task deadline, if it exists, then I'll be like task dot deadline is equal to new task deadline, and I'll just enter the task. But even if I didn't do that, it would have been null anyway. कब तक करना है, कितना टाइम लगेगा, सच सच बताओ कैसे करना है, कुछ आइडिया है क्या? ये सब होगा पॉपअप में आई गेस है। कौन से पॉप? ओके ओके गॉट इट, ऐड मोर इन्फो। ओके, सो व्हाट शिल्पी इज प्रपोजिंग इज यहाँ पे एक बटन होगा जिसको टैप करोगे तो एक पॉपअप आएगा, एंड उस पॉपअप पे क्लिक करने पे क्या होगा, कब कब करना है, कैसे करना है, क्या करना है, ये सब बताना पड़ेगा। जस्ट फाइन। रिमूव टास्क, ऐड टास्क कब कॉल होता है? व्हेन आई क्लिक ऑन दैट बटन ऐड टास्क कॉल हो जाता है। Can a form have two buttons? HTML तो लिखना भूल गया, ठीक है। मॉडल मॉडल बनाने में टाइम लगेगा यार शिल्पी। व्हाट आई डू इज एक बटन बनाते हैं जिसके ऑन क्लिक पे टॉगल डेडलाइन करते हैं, ठीक है? BDN प्राइमरी। ओके, so see that's why I needed a PM. So Shilpi just came and said ये जब ऐड हो जाए टास्क उसके बाद टास्क की टाइल पे पॉपअप, नॉट इनिशियली while adding a new task, which makes sense. Got it. So instead of doing this be like दिला दो बंगला, दिला दो गाड़ी, दीवानी साथ तो आ, मेरी पतली कमर, मेरी तिरछी नजर, मेरी चढ़ती जवानी। So what I'll do is have another button over here. This will have basically change deadline for the to do to do to do to do to do to do to do। फॉन्ट ऑसम यूज़ किया ना मैंने, क्या यूज़? फॉन्ट ऑसम to do to do to do to do to do to do to do। Yeah, makes sense will be। Okay, what the fuck? दो बटन हुए क्या? Oh, okay. So can't have this in div. That's the whole problem. But उसका flex भी तो खत्म. अरे, bring me sexy back. Bring me sexy. ना बटन को क्या हो गया? ओके, बटन आया ना. ये सबमिट क्यों कर रहा है फॉर्म? Hmm. Here's this error. Okay, my bad. Task deadline. Yeah. So now we have two buttons. एक delete है और एक non delete है. And we can add basically the third. Remove task के बाद ही we'll do is we'll have a function to do 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 to do. Jaipur. That's what I'm gonna write. Jaipur. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna write. Okay, I got crazy. Doing crazy shit. Oh. Hey, another bug that I found. There's a bug here. Yeah. By the way, there are 4 concurrent viewers and only 1 like. Please like kar do yaar. And I'll come back to this. But yeah, for now, change deadline. This should basically this should be called set deadline. And now it should open a pop modal. So now how to create a modal in HTML. OP is missing Jaipur from the bottom of my heart. Okay, this is how I want the modal. I'll just copy and paste this code. W3 schools. So I've added like dot modal content, close, and the colors. Colors का है? Background color. Don't need to add color over here or here. What is the JavaScript? Modal. Very bad JavaScript, but fine, I'll do. Where have we going? Oh, 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 have we going? Okay, so 37 and closes to add like this. button. Hmm. So now what will happen is there is some error. Pakka se there is some error. No, there is no error. यार allow pasting या तो got the BTN, got the span. Where is the BTN? Oh, there it is. Some text in the modal. This so white किया अगर like some text in the modal. Close this. Great. So I have some sort of modal that is going on. W3 school copy paste. That's what PMs do while making a website. I've been exposed as a fraud. Hmm. So now what I'm looking is add HTML text based on last click based on element from list in view. Am I correct? I don't think I'm correct. There is no plan for this, Shilpi. I think this is the last day today, which I'm streaming on this. Like literally, I'm done with this. I think what happened is I wanted it to be funny. I had good intentions, but it just didn't work out, man. So probably next week we'll do something else. And probably नहीं यार 100% next week we'll do something else. So there is no intention today as such. Trello, Notion, बहुत दूर का सोच लिया. OP. uh, Basically, if I had a deadline over here, they should do it over here. Things like that. But it's not really that horrible, right? You can open the modal. Attach object to a view HTML. How do you measure success that this is funny? एक काम करो वेबसाइट खोलते ही funny track डाल दो. Tell me a funny track and I'll play it and I'll put it. Dun, 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 dun. What I'll do is I'll go to YouTube and I'll be like should I just play this as the website opens after the ad, obviously. So what happened, guys? As soon as I played this song, my modem got restarted. Can you hear YouTube now? Yeah. So what happened is, the moment I played this song, my modem got restarted. Wow. Today I learned that the Bangalore internet sucks. No, it's not the Bangalore internet. It's the Bangalore electricity, I believe. But anyway, back to this shit. या या अभी अभी देख सकते हो. Never gonna say goodbye. Never gonna tell you lies. Hurt you. Conditionals and loops, handling user input. No. Composing with components. Yes, this is what I want. Component. नहीं यार. Actually, component is not what I want. Relation to custom elements. Oh no. Template. No. Class instance bindings. No. Conditional rendering. No. List rendering. Form input. Components. In depth. No. Mixins. I think mixins is what I'm looking for. Never gonna give you up. Never gonna let you down. And that you. Never gonna tell you lie. Never gonna say goodbye. You lie. Hurt you. कोई तरीका नहीं है. Silvi writes, electricity greater than internet. Top of the funnel improve करो. UPS लगाओ. First of all, my top of the funnel is very nice. I have a UPS, but I think the modem was not connected to it. And top of the funnel की तो बात ही मत करो, ठीक है? I have a bunch of leads. But anyway, so yeah, instead of this button, and I don't need this button, right? Because this button is on click हो रहा है जो भी है. मुझे तू सोना लगता है, लगता है, आंधा लगता है, मुझे तू हीरा लगता है. क्लिक मेरे को ये करना है. Never gonna give you up. Never gonna let you down. Round and round. Hurt you. I think we should add GIF display on website when you add it as like a funny GIF, funny mummy GIF with villain. Okay. So Shilpi has a very nice suggestion, and what we are going to do is funny Indian mom GIF. We're gonna find this GIF. You don't care, obviously. I can't find. Okay, I'll use this. What happens if I just put it like that? Oh, god damn. Okay, fine, nice. I don't need this much यार, तो बस ये चाहिए. इतना काम करेगा मेरा बच्चा. इतना काम करेगा मेरा बच्चा. And then it's like this Indian mom who goes नहीं. Right. I think there is some issue somewhere. Like ये one RAM with 100% height. I mean, not necessarily. ओ दीवाने. Display none. Position fixed. And what I set timeout. So set timeout basically what it does is after this time it just removes the thing. So let's say after 3 seconds what I want to do is remove the fucking. Now if I refresh, maybe like इतना काम करेगा मेरा बच्चा नहीं, चला गया. Nice. Yeah, I think I'm happy with this, and I need to remove this button though. Deadline wala. Sorry stress. I couldn't figure out in time deadline wala कैसे करना है. Or maybe I can just pick it up next week if I do this again. If I'm like completely out of ideas what to do, I'll just pick this up in this next week. If I pick this up, my guarantee. We will do basically this line wala thing. Okay. Chalo guys, part 4. Yeah, we came to part 4. Part 2, part 3 were just like nobody attended, man. Like, where were you guys? I think Shreyas was there. Shilpi, where were you? Why didn't you come? Hmm? 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 Tell me. ऐसे बनते पीएम? ऐसे ये लड़की लड़ेगी बच्चों से. Hmm? 4-5 मम्मी जिप्स रख लो रैंडम बुक. हाँ हाँ, I mean I'll do that, but good idea actually. We'll have to curate. Haters gonna hate. But anyway, yeah. Sorry, we were like शिल्पी या ऐसे लड़ोगी बच्चों से? Like when I think about you, this is the reaction that I have. Pagal. Anyway, um, yeah, it was okayish fun. We could have done a bunch more things, but I guess I was sleeping. Shilpi says I was sleeping. Wow. 3 से 4 बजे. For 3 weeks. पागल लड़की का नहीं हो सकता. ये नहीं कि कू खेल ले मर्क्यूरी के साथ, फ्रेडी के साथ. Anyway, yes, another random idea. If the user has no task, then the app can add an extra task for them. Read a book throughout trash. So Shreyas, I think you're new probably. If you don't have a task, ना, what happens is the app basically is like कोई काम नहीं है तो मैं मम्मी को phone कर लो. I mean, what I can do is technically add that as a task. Uh, uh, Good idea. But I hope somebody will read that and like, मम्मी को phone कर लेता हूँ. But anyway, hopefully I guess I'll see you guys next week. If you're watching this video after I've gone live, in fact right now also, is there anything specific जो कि you guys think that I should make just for the fun? Like I'm not looking for something serious. Casual friends, best friends, then probably love start. Friends they casual friends they friends they अच्छे friends they best friends. If love start हो गया, why am I explaining my joke? But yeah, you find like any casual idea that you have something very random. So I'm not going to give any examples, but yeah, just hit me up in the comments या फिर live chat or Twitter DM and everything. And I want to start with something else next week. Could be anything actually. Depends on what y'all are interested in, and I'll just leave you with the message. I just wanna tell you how I'm feeling. Gotta make you understand. Never gonna give you up. Never gonna let you down.